My name is Kiyansh Jain. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm making yummy delicious yummy flower pot. Chocolatey flower pot. Step 1. Cut the chocolate into many pieces. Step 2. Sift cut-in pieces into a glass bowl for melting. Step 3. Melt the chocolate with metal boiler. Step 4. Use paper cups and cut in sides always. Step 5. Pour melted chocolate in 2 cups and spread it. Step 6. Put the cup in fridge for 10 minutes to cool it down. Step 7. After 10 minutes, take out cup and see if it's set. Once the chocolate is set, remove paper cup and say Yahoo! Your chocolate will be ready. Now we will prepare flour. For this we need white chocolate to be melted. Step 9. Then pour melted chocolate into flour mold and within 10 minutes. Step 10. For leaves, mix green color in melted white chocolate and pour into mold. Step 11. Put the leaves mold into fridge for 10 minutes. 12. After 10 minutes, take out the flour mold and fridge and carefully take out flowers from it. Step 13. Now back sides flour, add melted chocolate and stick the ice cream stick to make it flour. Step 14. Now remove leaves mold from fridge and carefully take it out. 15. Now we will decorate your flowers. Take out the chocolate pot, add some cream, add some pretty white flowers, add some brown soil, add some green leaves. Voila!